Turning your engine AJ509. Turning good, all compressions complete. The front engines looks good, as you can see. No damage, no broken. Compressor looks good. Socket looks good, no damage. All nice. On this side, engines looks good, no damage, no broken. Starter look as well, as you can see. Gearbox looks good. All nice. On this side, engines looks good. All windows looks good, no damage, no water. All nice. And on the top, as you can see, connectors looks good. No damage, no broken. All nice, all good. And on the bottom, as you can see, no cracks, no damage, no leaks. All nice, all good. And turning your engine AJ509.